How to buy a call option using the TWS mobile app. So it's very simple to do this. On the bottom right hand corner of your screen you're going to see more, so we're going to tap on that, and then that brings you into a new screen, and at the very top you'll see trade and then order ticket underneath it. So we're going to click on order ticket. Now let's say for argument's sake we're interested in buying call options in Walmart. So we would type in the ticker symbol for Walmart, which is WMT, and click on search on your phone. And then that's going to bring a drop down menu. You can see under Walmart NYSE, you can see stock, futures, options, warrants, CFD, and option chain and strategy builder. Now, because you're trying to buy a call option, you will most likely automatically see options and click on that one. We would suggest actually you'd skip that and come down a little bit further and click on the option chain and strategy builder, because later on when we're doing more advanced strategies you're going to use this particular function here, and also because you're getting more information on one screen when you choose that particular option. So we're going to use that. So let's say now we're interested in going out as far as August, and we're interested in Walmart and we want to buy maybe the $70 call or even the $75 call. So you can see here we have changed the expiry date to August the 18th. On the left hand side you've got your call options, and on the right hand side you've got your put options. Then right down the middle you've got the strike prices. So if we're interested, for example, in the $75 call option for Walmart, we'll just come to the $75 call and we'll go to the left hand side. And you can see that the bid and the ask is 485 to 510. So anytime you're buying something, you're always paying the asking price. So it's 510. So we're just going to click on that now. So on the bottom then you've noticed here that another window is opened up and it's asking you, do you want to sell, do you want to buy, do you want to view, or do you want to add it to your watch list? So we're interested in buying, so we just click on buy. And it's brought up the order window now, and again you can see at the top here it's giving you your bid and your ask for the particular call option. Underneath that it's telling you your account number, and now it's into quantity. So remember, with options they're bought and sold in contracts, so we might be interested for example in buying 2 contracts. Now that's buying control over 200 shares. So if we're interested in going ahead with that, we'll click on 2 contracts. The time in force, we'd always recommend you use the day function for option trades. You can use GTC, but we prefer to use day. And then the order type is limit. So when you're trading options, we would always suggest you use a limit price. Never use market order, because you mightn't get filled. The bid-ask spreads on options can be a bit wide at times depending on what stock you're trading, and we would always suggest you dictate the price you're prepared to pay for the option. So in this case we're going to choose limit. Now you can see there that the ask is 510 and the bid is 485. So if we wanted to get filled straight away, we'd have to choose 510 as our limit price. But let's say for argument's sake we were comfortable here and said, well look, no, unless the option price drops to, for example, to 495, we're not interested in buying. So we would type in 495 for our limit price, and then we would just click on slide to submit to buy. Now because I'm trying to demonstrate to you what a call option looks like in your portfolio, I'm actually going to change the order type to market, which will fill me straight away. But I want to stress again, you would never use that in real life. You would always choose the limit price and just be patient and wait to get filled at the price you're prepared to pay the option at. But because I'm trying to demonstrate here, I need to get filled straight away. So I'm going to then just slide to submit the buy order. And when I do that, that motor is now gone into the market there, and what we can do now is just go back into our watch list or into our portfolio window, and you're going to see we're going to have a call option there of Walmart very shortly. So you can see there at the bottom now 2 Walmart call options at the $75 strike out to August the 18th. So if you want to go and check and see, well, what did you pay, what was the cost, etc. like that, we go back into the more tab, we go into orders and trades, we click on trades, and it's going to bring up now a list of trades that we have done for today. So you can see there's our Walmart trade. It was filled at 7:10. You can see that we bought 2. The average price was 510. It's just the exchange we bought it on, and then you can see our trading commissions was 159. So that's how easy it is for you to go and buy a call option using the Trader Workstation mobile application.